Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Bailey's Table. Today I am going to show you how I make my favorite dessert in a smallest version. We are going to make mini pavlovas. I do have another recipe of the pavlova roll on my channel. If you'd like, go ahead and check it out. Also, before we getting started, I would kindly like to ask you to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you like the recipe, and make sure you comment down below. Maybe you have another version of the pavlova recipe that you would like to share with me, and I am here to answer all of your questions as well. Thank you guys so much, and now let's get started. Bye!